As the sun rises on a bright new day, and the farm comes to life in its own special way, the farmer wakes like they did the day before, ready and eager to complete every chore. The cows need milking, the manure needs spread, the tractor needs fixing, and the calves need fed. Each day the farmer does what they are able to keep your fridge full and food on your table. Many farmers do what their grandparents did. They've been milking cows since they were a kid. And one day their children may continue the operation and make quality milk for the future generation. At the end of the day, we thank our consumers, all who eat and drink and support us producers. For you are the reason we wake up each day to make quality milk, and we'd just like to say, thank you for helping us do what we do, because it wouldn't be possible without New Brunswickers like you. Thank you.